In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a product within your account. So when you log into your account and land on the dashboard, we're going to click on the left-hand navigation bar on the Payments tab right underneath Opportunities. And this is going to take us to the Payments interface, and you'll see a whole list of options that we can select from. But in this example, we're creating a product from scratch. So we're going to go to the very top sub-navigation bar, and from the drop-down Products, we're going to select Products. And then at the very top right, we're going to click the blue Create Product button. And this is going to take us to the product design page. So we're going to first title the product. So we're going to say something like consultation. And then in the description field is where we will type out the description of the product. And below the description field, we have media. So we can upload an image for this product by clicking the little upload a file button. And then below that, we have product collection. So if you want to have this product within an online store and with a specific category, this is where you will define where this specific product will be bunched into, which collection, meaning which group of related items this product will be associated with. So that way, if you want to set up an online store and say, for example, it's like t-shirts, hoodies, crew necks, all of these unique products will be organized within one collection. So in this scenario, consultation is not within a specific product collection. So we're going to leave that empty. And then if we want to charge tax on this product, we would check the charge tax on this product. And then from the drop down, we would select our specific sales tax. And then the additional options item is the statement descriptor. So this is how the product transaction will read on the client's bank statements. So for us, we're just going to put the name of the company. And then below that is where we will define the prices. So if this is a one-time charge, we're going to leave it on one time. But if this is a reoccurring charge, we're going to select reoccurring. But in this example, we're just going to say one-time charge. We can put in the amount and then compare at price. So this is if you're doing like an online shop and you have products that are on sale, kind of similar to like Shopify. You can have a compare price. You can also track inventory if you have multiple of the same products. Say, for example, it's prints. If you're an artist, you can track inventory by toggling that on, clicking, and then in the input field, putting the available quantity. So let's say you have 150 prints available. It'll track your inventory for you. And then we have continue selling when out of stock. So if you want to continue selling items, even though when the inventory is low or out of stock, you can do so by toggling that on. Then the additional options, we have price description. So you can say something like, this is a one-time charge for our consultation. And then below that, we have membership offer. So if you are offering a membership, because side note, you also can create memberships within your account. If you would like to offer a membership, you can do so by toggling that on, and then from the drop down, selecting which membership you would like to offer with this purchase. And then if you have another price variant for this specific product or service, you can click add another price by clicking the add another price and then offering another price variant. But in this example, we are not. So we're going to trash that. We're going to remove that. And then variants is if you have different sizes, like say, for example, you have, again, with prints, if you have different sizes, you can offer different variants within the variant section by clicking the add a variant. And then search engine listing. This is where you can add more information to boost your product SEO by typing in the title of the product and then the description of the product and the handle. Once you finish inputting all of this information, you're going to click the save button, and then we're going to go back to the products list, and then we can see our brand new product that we just created at the very top of the list. And that is how simple it is to create a product within your account. If you have any questions, let me know.